Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the Google Ads campaign status. For this you have to just simply go to the start button, then simply type in Chrome, and once in the Chrome you have to simply search for the Google Ads option, then just simply click on enter. After that you have to just simply go to the first website from here, then you have to just simply click on sign in option or the start now option according to your preferences, and then it will simply take you to this site. From here what you need to do is just simply click on the campaigns icon here in the left hand side, then just simply expand the campaigns option, then just simply click on the campaigns again, and after that what you need to do is just simply check the status from here. And here you can see that the campaigns is showing here, and you can just simply click on the performance summary option by clicking on the reports option, and here you can see you can check all the campaigns on performance, ad group performance, search keyword, and click one of these according to your preferences, and you can easily just view the performance that you are currently are showing here, ad is showing here. And about the stopping, here you can see the green mark dot is that means the ad is currently running, and the pause mark is that means that the ad is currently stopped. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.